Mahadev is revered as the destroyer, and in our previous episodes, we explored how his avatars reveal the path of both destruction and wisdom at various times to sustain creation. Every single form left us with profound lesson, but now it is time to understand the energy that sustains this entire universe and keeps it in motion. Come, let us do the journey to discover the Preserver, whom we know as Lord Vishnu. He is both the director and the caretaker of this entire creation. Namaskar, I am your host Gaurav and you are watching the Puranic Files. Today we will discover Lord Vishnu, cosmic form and his sacred symbols which conceal the blueprint of entire universe. And right from here begins the grand new journey of the DASHAVATAR Files. Chapter 1: The Cosmic Form. While nothing existed in this world, neither earth, nor sky, nor time, there was still one thing, Shudoka Samut, meaning the cosmic milk ocean. But this is no ordinary ocean of water. It represents the primordial unmanifested energy, a state where everything rests in absolute stillness. In the middle of this ocean lies Lord Vishnu, resting upon the infinite-headed serpent, Sheshna. Shesh means the remnant, that which remains at the very end. Even when the entire universe dissolves, Shesh remains, and his Anand form shows that there are no boundaries to space and time. This form teaches us how to maintain absolute peace and stability right in the midst of cosmic chaos. Chapter 2: Chaturbhuj. Lord Vishnu possesses 4 arms, and each hand holds a key that defines both human life and his cosmic order. Let's decode them one by one. First, Shankha. This is not just a simple seashell. The sound of resonating from it represents the Om, the primordial sound that triggered the dawn of creation. It represents the power of communication, intellect, and divine knowledge. Second, Sudarshan Chakra, the wheel of time that never stops spinning. The Sudarshan Chakra represents the dynamic mind and time itself. It demonstrates that destroying the ego and negativity requires no delay. It functions far beyond human speed. Third, Gada, the mace. This mace is the symbol of both physical and mental strength. It represents the authority, discipline, and the power to control the desires that lead us astray. It's the raw force of cosmic law. Fourth, the lotus. Even though it blooms in the muddiest of waters, not a single stain touches the lotus. This is the supreme symbol of human conscience. It teaches us how to sustain spiritually pure while living within the middle of worldly attachments and negativity. Chapter 3: Nabhi and Multiverse. If you think the concept of multiverse belongs solely to Marvel and modern Hollywood movies, you are mistaken. Our Purans defined the cosmic multiverse with profound symbolism thousands of years ago. Scripture describes that when Mahavishnu is in his cosmic slumber, known as Yog Nidra, the cycle of the universe breathes in tandem with his inhalation and exhalation. Uncounted universes emerge from the pores of his skins like microscopic particles. And when the divine lotus grows from his Nabhi, it becomes the gateway to a brand new universe. The moment this lotus blossoms, Lord Brahma is born within it. But herein lies the greatest revelation. Every single lotus emerging from Mahavishnu's navel represents an entire distinct universe. This means in this infinite cosmos, there are billions of such lotuses, and every single universe has its own individual Brahma. Our Purans state that the Lord Brahma of our particular universe possesses 4 heads because our universe is relatively small. However, in the grander massive universe, the residents Brahma possesses 100 or even 1000 more heads. This intricate loop of space and time is exactly what modern science is trying to understand today under the name of parallel universe or the multiverse theory. This Nabhi Kamal form of Lord Vishnu reminds us that in endless creation we are lesser than even a single drop in ocean. Yet, whenever the balance of this world is disrupted and the scales tip toward unrighteousness, this cosmic energy does not remain silent. Whenever a crisis looms over creation, the caretaker steps out of his cosmic form and sets foot upon the earth, sometimes transforming into a tiny fish to save creation from a great deluge, sometimes adopting the fierce form of a warrior, the boar, to rescue earth from depths of cosmic ocean, and sometimes becoming the fierce Parshuram, an allied, arrogant and corrupt kings. In the upcoming episodes, we will discover how Lord Vishnu incarnated again and again to protect this creation, and how these incarnations came to be known as the DASHAVATAR. Happiness is a wealth that not everyone gets to enjoy to their fill. So whenever you get the chance, keep smiling. The world has more than enough ways to give you pain. See you in next episode. Until then, Om Vishnave Namaha.